In this video, we want to talk about another property of water and different substances, and that is the oxidation. And we're going to do that by actually measuring the different beverages and waters with an ORP meter. And it will actually show us the millivolts of the different drinks. So I love these science projects like this, so we could actually see. So would you tell us first, before we start, about oxidation and how that affects our body, why that's important to us?
Well, if we can picture an avocado, and if we cut the avocado and it turns brown, that's a visual of oxidative process. And by putting our Kangen water on an avocado, it will slow that oxidative process. And if we were to go to Lourdes, France and get the fresh, living, healing water there, it would be an antioxidant water. And that's what we're going to show, is that this is from a medical device that can make antioxidant water, that all of these bottled beverages are going to be positive.
Right, because the important thing is that you can't bottle that, right? You can't save the negative charge, cannot be stored.
Correct.
It can't be shipped and stored across country. You can't purchase it in a store. It has to be freshly made and will last a few days, correct?
Yeah, so if you were to make a fresh squeezed juice, how good would that be in 3 weeks?
Right.
No, we want to drink it as fresh as possible. So just like if you were to retrieve the water from Lourdes, France, Kangen water, you want to drink it within 3 days.
Right.
So the benefit of having antioxidant water is to slow that aging process, to slow the sickness.
Oxidation is aging.
Yes.
Right, that's what causes the aging. And just like the juicing or fresh squeezed juice that I love to do, that is negative charge as well, but it's kind of hard to do that all the time and take it with you. That's what the water is, just to me so much more a simple just way to add those negative ions without, we still want to have our juice and eat our healthy antioxidant vegetables and fruits. It's not a substitution for that, but it's just an additional way to get it really easy. Yeah.
Well, should we go ahead and test some of these and see if they're going to be oxidizing us? If we were to test like blueberries or goji berries or fresh squeezed juices, they would have a negative charge.
Right, so, and that would be an antioxidant.
Yeah, it's hard to think that negative is good for us, but negative is. What Kangen water will test as. If you want to hold that meter up, we're going to just pour. We just made this with our medical device. What is that showing, Julie?
It's showing minus 702, and it's still kind of...
Can you hold that up, so
that's a really strong antioxidant.
Yes, if we think that blueberries and fresh squeezed juices are negative 50, that's a very, I don't know any way to get that many extra...
That charge.